Oh my god. Is she out of her? Like, what is she doing? There are couples everywhere. Look at that, another couple. So many couples today. Another couple. ये प्यार का मौसम है. Enjoy guys, enjoy. India मैच जीत गई, और क्या चाहिए? You pay income tax, you pay GST, goods and service tax, you pay every sort of tax, and then the condition of the road is so bad. Like, look at it, man. Oh god.
आपने सबसे पहले घबराना नहीं है.
I understand them, they are trying to earn a living and everything, but they should have allotted parking spaces, you know. They are not supposed to take the roads. And again, I'm saying I understand all this, but when you start taking the road away from people like us, na, you're reducing the width of the road, you're increasing the chances of traffic. And oh my god, look at that guy changing lanes just like that. This is another problem. No civic sense, no traffic sense, no nothing. People are just walking on the road. Tired of this bullshit, dude. I try to take respite on Sundays, you know. I feel like there's this one day when I'm off work, I'll unload myself. Oh, that sounded bad. I'll unwind myself. Much better. And I'll go for a drive. I'll take my GT for a spin. And I see the condition of the, oh my god, look at that dirt. And see, I mean, of course there are people who picks up garbage and everything. Where are these people? Why don't they pick garbage? Like, they're supposed to do it, clean it. They're getting paid or something, right? They're getting salary or employment. There's some sort of like arrangement done for them, right? They're supposed to do it weekly, bi-weekly, monthly or something. Then why there's like so much garbage on road? Someone's not doing their work, man, and that someone needs to be asked questions, you know. Why is this happening? Actually, I'm liking this rain. It's quite hot. It was hot today. And that rain is soothing. I can see clearly, I can drive a bit too. So, and this rain is gonna go away. Yeah, it's clearing now. It looks beautiful, right? Drenched in rain. No number plate. And he's on the phone, right? Yeah. Nice, dude. He's trying to show off or something. प्यार है उसको, प्यार.
ये तो यूपी का हर लौंडा कर रहा था.
I mean, what's the point? Like, stop and finish up your message, dude, or whatever you're doing. Finish up your text or whatever. And it's okay. It's India. People are like so damn egoistic, proud about their skills, you know. If I stop him and say like, stop man, you're doing something wrong, he'll be like, yeah, chill dude, I'm okay, I'm fine. That's how people are in India, you know. They are very much egoistic about their skills. Like, even me, I won't lie, okay? Even someone stops me and says like, dude, your riding is like way off. I'll be like, no man, I was riding quite okay because I trust my skills. That's how people are in India.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन बुरी तरह फंसोगे.
But in other stories, the weather is absolutely fantastic. Just look at it. It's cloudy, it's raining a bit. There's not much of a traffic. Absolute godly weather to ride. And घर में chicken बना है. So there's one more thing to be joyous about, and India won the World Cup. That's another thing to be joyous about. Just imagine Team India losing yesterday's match, man. The whole week I would have been out of Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, every bit of social media, because the trolling would have gotten, dude. Would have been immense. So this is the thing. Second gear, 100k. This is my kind of a checking. If it goes to 100 on second gear, that means everything is working fine. Yeah, it does. So this is this. Like Sundays are for this, you know. People come out, they take their kids, and they come here, take pics. That's the only joy people have in my city, you know, coming out here. Because everything else, oh my god, is she out of her? Like, what is she doing?
यही तो औरत है मुरारी.
Oh, there is a sunroof, right? Oh, it's a Creta. Of course it's a Creta. Of course it's a Creta. They're supposed to do shit like that in a Creta. They have a sunroof for this reason only. Don't honk me, dude. Don't do that. So, I mean, no offense against these people, man. They're entitled to their joys, right? And why is it always Creta people, dude? See, everyone's saying selfies, and let them enjoy. There are couples everywhere. I'm enjoying with my love, dude. Absolute beast, man. So at least our highways are better. That's the only silver lining that I have got. Every video that I make, I'm always like, at least my highways are better than my city roads. What can I say? Like, credit where credit is due, man. Like, seriously. That's one more reason I hate speeding on highways. Is this stray cattle, you know. They jump around a lot, and they're young, you know. They're young cubs, and they don't understand a lot. They're the cows, you know. They don't understand a lot. They jump around. They have this young senses to them. So that's the reason I don't speed over here. Anyways, the weather is absolutely fantastic. Just look at it. Clouds everywhere. It's gonna rain soon. I'm gonna get drenched when I get back home, but that's completely okay with me. Look at that, another couple. So many couples today. Another couple. ये प्यार का मौसम है. Enjoy guys, enjoy. India मैच जीत गई, और क्या चाहिए. Just be safe, boys. That's all from me. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए भाई. Drive slow, be safe, enjoy the ride, get back home soon.
अरे सुधरो रे, अभी तो सुधर जाओ.
Okay, it has started raining heavily now. I'll have to take shelter. Yeah, so I'm gonna prove this. I'm gonna prove that I can. Yes, you can take this GT to Ladakh, and with with minimal wrist pain. And okay, let me be clear. Yes, there is wrist pain, there is back pain, but it's not something that you can't get rid of, or you can ignore it. You know, this is part of the package that this bike comes with, and you'll have to live with it. And you knew when you were going to buy this bike that it's going to cost you something, and it's going to cost you a bit of pain, back pain, a bit of back pain, and a bit of wrist pain, but that's completely okay with it. You know, there needs to be some kind of sacrifices. I'm absolutely terrified of this thoda sa sand on road, you know. It makes the road very slippery, so always be careful on those. Absolutely mad weather, dude. Bit of rain, amazing day. Only wish was that the city roads were better. That's all और कुछ नहीं. Oh my god, rain coming down on me, drenching me. I'm riding through the rain. There's not much of rain, there's like a bit of rain, the absolute amount of rain you would want on a drive. That's the amount of rain I'm getting right now, and it's an amazing feeling, you know. Your GD screaming. Don't do that, dude, please, you're scaring me. They stopped because of the rain. It's getting heavier and heavier, by the way, but I'm absolutely rocking this weather, dude. Hope Ladakh would, I mean, Ladakh is a rite of passage for us bikers in India, and everyone wants to make this trip once in their lifetime. And to everyone who has gotten this done, I mean, you guys are absolute heroes, man. And I want to get it done myself, and I've chosen July as my pilgrimage month because that's the only time I have sufficient holidays to make this trip. And please pray for me, I'll be making this pilgrimage very soon, and I want to do it with you guys, with everyone.